So is PayPal the millionaire maker? It all depends. It depends on how much you put in the stock in 2017 and if you sold at the tops at about $300. So is PayPal the millionaire maker? Well, depends if you bought at the monthly buyers level at $52 and if you plan on riding it up back up to $300. Is PayPal the millionaire maker? Well, depends if you didn't buy at the monthly buyers level at $52, but you bought at the weekly buyers level at $56. And depending on how much you put in, and if you plan on riding it up to $300. Before we continue with the analysis, let's look at this article. Is PayPal a millionaire maker? So, PayPal is completely falling out of favor with the investment community. Its shares sit 78% below their peak price, again, going back to roughly $300 back in 2021, 2022. Since the start of 2023, at the time when the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq composites have soared, PayPal has dropped 8%. So perhaps one of the key reasons that PayPal stock has taken such a beating is because of the company's stagnating business user base. As of December 31st, there were 426 million active accounts on the platform. That figure is the same as it was 24 months ago. And anytime the customer base stops growing, it's understandably why investors start to worry. Now, the company's favorable position is illustrated by total payment volume increasing 13% year over year to 1.5 trillion in 2023. That figure was 63% higher than the boom during 2020 because PayPal operates a fee and usage-based business model. More TPV is better since it can lead to higher revenue. And while the user base flatlines, it's extremely encouraging to see transactions per active account rise at a healthy clip. In the past 12 months, the average user transacted 58.7 times on the platform. That's up from 40.9 going back to the pandemic in 2020. Now, if you look at PayPal's stock chart during the past 3 years, as we saw, you would think that this business is on the verge of bankruptcy. But that's just not true. The income statement is even more promising. PayPal generates double-digit percentage operating margins with impressive consistency, and it produces billions of dollars of free cash flow each year. This is a financially sound company that has long-term staying power which minimizes risk. Now, there might be no better time to scoop up PayPal stock than right now, as we saw when price hit that monthly buyers level at $52 and the weekly buyers level at $56. It trades at a dirt cheap forward price to earnings ratio of 13. That's a huge discount to the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq 100, and it's a clear indication that the pessimism surrounding PayPal and its prospects. So, is PayPal the millionaire maker? At this point, with a market cap of roughly 70 billion, I don't think so. Now, going back to the weekly chart, price is pulling back from this support resistance band at $68, but I think as crypto moves higher and as the Nasdaq continues to rally, price is going to eventually breach and close above this band. And my target short term is $75. So is PayPal the millionaire maker? No, but can it make you a nice bag? Yes, it can. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.